Welcome to our channel. Have you ever wondered how to make a great first impression? Today, we're sharing proven tips to help you wow everyone you meet. First, dress to impress. Your appearance is the first thing people notice, so choose an outfit that suits the occasion and makes you feel confident. Next, be punctual. Arriving on time shows respect for others' time and sets a positive tone for your interaction. A genuine smile can go a long way. It makes you appear friendly and approachable, instantly putting others at ease. Make eye contact. It shows confidence and helps build a connection with the person you're meeting. A firm handshake conveys confidence and professionalism. Practice your handshake to ensure it's neither too weak nor too strong. Use positive body language. Keep your posture open and avoid crossing your arms to appear more approachable. Be attentive. Listen actively, nod, and respond thoughtfully to show that you're genuinely interested in the conversation. Speak clearly and confidently. Your voice should be audible and your words well articulated to ensure you're understood. Show genuine interest in the other person. Ask questions and show curiosity about their experiences and opinions. Be yourself. Authenticity is attractive and helps build trust. Don't try to be someone you're not. Use humor appropriately. A well-timed joke can break the ice and make the interaction more enjoyable. Be polite and respectful. Good manners and respect for others' opinions go a long way in making a positive impression. Follow up after your meeting. A thank you note or message shows appreciation and keeps the connection alive. Finally, be mindful of your digital presence. Your online behavior and profiles can also impact first impressions, so keep them professional and positive. Thank you for watching. Making a great first impression is about being confident, genuine, and respectful. We hope these tips help you leave a lasting positive impact. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Comment below with your thoughts and any tips.